Welcome, students and instructors, to wifiCFI. I'm going to take you through a quick tutorial video here on how to download our free mobile app and how to access the things that are within. So straight from our homepage, we can go to wifiCFI.com and you see the link right there. It says download our free mobile app. We can click that. It'll then bring up our download link with some download instructions and this download tutorial video right down here. Remember, if you do need a code, it's listed right there, that ATYHIZ. Most of the time, you do not need a code. So it's pretty simple. We're going to go here. We're going to click download. It is going to bring up the Spaces app by Wix for us to download because wifiCFI is a sub-app of this Wix Spaces app. So go ahead and download this. Once it's done, we can click open. And it's going to bring up the wifiCFI mobile app. Pretty easy, right down at the bottom. We'll just go ahead and click join. Here, let's go ahead and do continue with email and use the same email address that you used when you signed up for the courses on wifiCFI. So I'm going to go ahead and put mine in now. And then you'll go ahead and put in your password. And then once you've completed the CAPTCHA, it should bring you right here, and you can either choose to allow or don't allow Wix Spaces to send you notifications. I'm just going to go ahead and click allow for me now, and boom, right here is wifiCFI. So you're going to pop in. This is the sub-app part of the wifiCFI mobile app. So here, it's very, very simple. Here we've got our tutorial video, and then we've got all of our courses just listed along this top slider right here. So it's very easy to get to them. If you are doing private pilot stuff, whether you're studying private pilot or you're teaching private pilot, just click right there. And you can either jump into the private pilot study course by clicking that top image, or the private pilot teaching course by clicking the bottom image, or you can look at the free private pilot podcasts and flashcards down at the bottom. So if you wanted to get into it, it's very simple. You just click here. And if you're not already logged into your account, because this is taking you to our website, you would go ahead and log in here and you'd have access to that course. I'm not going to hop into it right now, but we are here. Okay, then we've got instrument rating. So same thing, study course, teaching course, free flashcards and podcasts. Commercial pilot, study course, teaching course, podcasts and flashcards. CFI course, we have another category here. So we have the CFI study course, then you have the CFI check ride lesson plans, then you have the CFI teaching course. Down at the bottom, you've got podcasts and flashcards and endorsements and record keeping that you can print straight from here. CFII is the same. So CFII study course, check ride lesson plans, teaching course, free podcasts, endorsements and record keeping. Multi-engine add-on study course, check ride lesson plans, podcasts and flashcards, endorsements and record keeping. You see how this is flowing, how it's going. We've got our study group here with students and instructors that you can go ahead and join and chat with. We've got all endorsements here that you can go ahead and just click on these, and then you can pick your, say we wanted to do private pilot and it was an airplane single engine land check ride. We can just go ahead and click that there, ASEL initial check ride, and here's these endorsements for you. So pretty straightforward there. We'll hop back into the app. And then here's just a list of all of our plans and everything that it includes and some support articles. If you ever just want to study on our full website, up here in the top right corner, you see there's a full site button. You can click that and it'll just take you to the full website. Everything is the same, whether you're on the mobile app or the website, so it's up to you. If you want to study here on the mobile app, it'll just redirect you to the courses on the website, or you can completely bypass this mobile app if you want to. Just go to wifiCFI.com on whatever mobile device that you have, and it's going to be the same content. Thanks for joining us. Blue skies and tailwinds.